A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. Ball means game. C. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D. D for dog. Dog means Kutta. E. E for elephant. Elephant means Hathi. F. F for fish. Fish means machli. G. G for goat. Goat means bakri. H. H for hen. Hen means morgi. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for jeep. Jeep means jeep. K. K for kite. Kite means patang. L. L for lion. Lion means share. M. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N. N for nest. Nest means ghonsla. O. O for orange. Orange means Malta. P. P for parrot. Parrot means Tota. Q. Q for queen. Q means Malika. R. R for rabbit. Rabbit means Chूहा. S. S for snake. Snake means Samp. T. T for train. Train means railgadi. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. V. V for van. Van means wagon. W. W for well. Well means kunwa. X. X for fox. Fox means lumri. Y. Y for UU. UU means Doridar Lattu. Z. Z for Z. Z means change. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.